Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time zone you're in now. And welcome to the TechEd Session, Harnessing SAP BTP to Innovate at Speed and Achieve Strategic Ambitions. My name is Holger Brammer, and I'm the head of SAP Strategic Industry Service Partner Ecosystem. And with me today are my dear friends from one of our most important strategic partners, Ernst & Young, which I would like now to ask to introduce themselves. Over to you, Axel.
Thank you very much, Holger, and we are so glad to be here. My name is Axel Jans, and I'm in charge of the EY SAP Sales Enablement. And having said this, I would like to hand it over to Paresh.
Thanks, Axel and Holger. Hi, I'm Paresh Doshi, Industry Cloud Leader at EY.
Thanks, Holger, Axel, and Paresh. I am Rakesh. I am leading the architecture practice within EY for all the SAP products which we are building. Thank you. With that, over to you, Holger.
Yeah, when I read the first time the slogan of the TechEd this year, which was where ideas get real, I really thought, damn it, that hits the nail on its head. And especially when I reflect on my own work in the past, so it was indeed more about shaping ideas, presenting new SAP strategies, explaining business opportunities to partners, explaining partner models, and also solution roadmaps and capabilities. And of course, this was super important. However, this was more or less, let's face it, theoretical stuff, and which was started from an idea and then has reached the next level with a certain maturity in form of a strategy, business model, or features and functions of a solution. And therefore, I'm super glad and happy that in this session, we will be talking even about the next level, meaning how EY have adopted all this theoretical stuff and turned this into a real, tangible solutions, which create real business outcome and benefits to customers. And as we are here at the SAP TechEd and not the SAP Sapphire, you will also learn about the solutions, industry cloud solutions, but also LOB solutions, which EY has developed on SAP BTP, the underlying BTP components and services which are used, and also adjacent SAP solutions. And finally, also about the SAP program in order to support the EY commercial models, which is called SAP Validated Partner Use Case Program, or VPAC program. And before I hand over, let me quickly touch upon some statistics which should demonstrate the power and the importance of SAP's ecosystem. SAP has more than 25,000 partners globally. This includes all partner types such as software partners, resell partners, and super important, our service partners. And especially partners like EY can provide end-to-end transformation services, which includes also own software solution built on SAP technology or SAP Business Technology Platform. Looking at the BTP ecosystem, partners have already certified more than 16,000 BTP consultants. Quite remarkable, and this number is continuously growing around 75% year over year. In terms of assets, partners have developed 1,250 software solutions, which are either qualified as VPAC, QPPS, Qualified Partner Package Service, or application on the SAP Store, also here continuously growing. In terms of adoption, we had more than 2,300 go-lives with BTP led by partners and only in half year 1/23. And when we finally look specifically at the industry cloud solutions or innovations, 80% of the innovations are driven or developed by partners. This indeed underpins three things. First, there's a real commitment from SAP towards the partner ecosystem. Secondly, there are huge business opportunities for SAP partners. And third, customers have really choice regarding picking the best solution for growing or transforming their business. And with that having said, I would like to hand over to my friend Axel. Axel, the stage is yours.
Holger, thank you very much. And I have to say, these numbers that you're presenting are overwhelming and super impressive, especially when I think of an ecosystem consisting of over 25,000 partners. Congratulations on that one already anyway. All right, we carry on. So this is from an EY perspective, and today we want to open up the hood. We want to look into the machine room, engine room, what's going on there, and how we develop and engineer and innovate on the SAP Business Technology Platform. On that slide, we want to bring across how we are leveraging the BTP, and Rakesh, he will also show much more of the details a little bit later. But what I would like to convey is that we have been building SAP EY SAP industry solutions built on the SAP Intelligent Enterprise for a couple of years already. The current count is at 10. And we have been building the industry cloud solutions directly sitting on top of BTP. And we have it sorted into stacks. Yeah, of course, so it's called industry cloud solutions. Of course, it goes by the industry solution selection. And we have been building those for power and utilities, for oil and gas, for life sciences, for insurance, for banking to come, and so much more is also in a process that we are building our industry cloud solution portfolio out further. We are not only building the industry solutions on top of S4 or the other SAP SaaS solutions, but also on BTP. But of course, so given our EY background, coming also from tax and assurance, and consulting, of course. So this is, we also have been building an entire portfolio, also with regards to tax, for example. So this is, and also over a couple of years, based on many engagements we have been taking forward together with our clients. We also learned how we can process this better for our clients and how to package this into package solutions. So and how we can develop this on top of SAP, and how we can sell this as a package solution, but how to deliver on that. So also talking about the industry cloud solution is very much also on the sales side, so we can show to our clients, to our SAP customers, that we are able to develop on BTP, but at the same time we can also provision these kind of industry cloud solutions based on a tenant which is provided by SAP to EY. But maybe some of the customers, they also want to have it on their own tenant. This is also possible. So that slide should bring across the entire solution and product portfolio that we have been taking forward over the last couple of years on top of SAP, on top of BTP, and also integrated to SAP. So having said this, now we are going to look really under the hood, what's going on there. And by having said this, I hand it over to Rakesh.
Thank you, Holger, for giving an overview of Vipak, and then Axel for giving an overview of this amazing portfolio of products which EY has built leveraging SAP Business Technology Platform. So today I'm going to talk you through the Business Technology Platform. What is this and what are the nuts and bolts of this platform, which is actually helping us build this whole machine, right? Basically, Business Technology Platform itself is a platform as a service where it actually brings together the various services and various products which SAP delivers under one umbrella. When I talk about services, I would like to double click on it, and which means that it actually gives us the flexibility to have the development environment to do the with various development environments and tools to do the automations, integrations with SAP and non-SAP world, as well as the analytics, databases, as well as the artificial intelligence technologies and many more to help us build those brilliant solutions, right? So whether it is a small, medium, or large enterprise, anyone can leverage the benefits of SAP Business Technology Platform when they want to do their digital transformation on the cloud, right? And with that, it is feasible because SAP offers it as a pay-as-you-go model licensing service. So you pay only for what you leverage, right? And which is brilliant, right? So with that, I would like to show you that what are the services which EY is leveraging to build all those amazing 50 plus products which we built on top of SAP BTP platform. All right, here you see these are the main 5 pillars of SAP Business Technology Platform, under which you will see most of these services which are available for us to leverage. But at the same time, there are many more services. Whenever there is a complex development which is required, by the customer, SAP Business Application Studio is the development tool to go for. Wherever there is quick development which is required, then SAP built solutions are the apps to go for. Basically, whenever there is a data mining or the process mining solutions which has to be performed, in that case, SAP Signavio solutions are the best to go for, right? When it comes to the data and analytics platform, SAP Analytics Cloud is a great solution. It's a great the solution which helps bring value out of the data and the various kind of analytics which unveils the business problems and the data-driven insights into the business issues. At the same time, SAP HANA Cloud, SAP DataSphere are the databases which helps us build the various data-related modeling in the cloud platform. Extended planning and analysis, SAP SuccessFactors is the solution which we can leverage for HR solutions or HR transformations. And in the integration space, SAP Integration Suite is really a brilliant product. Basically, there is one of the solutions called SAP Cloud Platform Integration. It helps us integrate with not only SAP Intelligent Core, which is SAP S/4HANA, but even all other various offerings of SAP, as well as the non-SAP space, right? And at the same time, when it is about automations and adding more intelligence into the product, then artificial intelligence, this SAP AI Core helps us to extend our solutions with all the new technologies which are coming in the market these days, and then empower our product entirely. Yeah. With that, I would like to show you that what are the products which we are really submitted for the validated partner use case. So these are the 5 products which are our industry cloud products, which we have submitted for the validated partner use case. And some of these products, these services which we are leveraging, you can see here. But at the same time, it is also an integration with SAP S/4HANA, an integration with an IoT platform, and also at times integration with a drone platform. So it really gives us the power to integrate with various technologies which are available out of SAP world. And then we brought in all these solutions and submitted it for VPOC certification, which is already we are talking about here. And with that, I would like to pass over to my industry cloud leader, Paresh, to talk more about the EY PUIC as well as EY.X.
Thanks, Rakesh. So guys, today I'm going to talk about 2 products, PUIC and .X. So let me first go through the PUIC. So PUIC, or Power and Utilities Insight Center, is an EY product built on SAP Business Technology Platform, right? So it leverages client data, not only from S/4HANA, or it can leverage any other source to help our client with their back office operations through easy-to-use analytical dashboards. Now, these dashboards can be leveraged by operational leaders to monitor and improve their KPIs. As far as other leaders also concerned, they can also leverage this to make timely and accurate decisions. As you can see, currently PUIC offers 8 key features to help reduce some of the industry pain points. I would like to take you through 3 key features. The first one, bidder to bill, which allows real-time monitoring of the entire billing process, highlighting the progress of each and every bill, but it also shows any missing invoices or errors, which will help the respective departments or the teams to take timely actions. User can also choose the time frame to view historical metrics or trends around all these chosen dashboards. The next one which I would like to talk about is the customer account. So it's a live snapshot provides to the user where how many customers have opened or closed their accounts. And it will also provide the expected revenue based on the current customer base. The third and last one, which I would like to talk about, is the billing accuracy. It provides a complete breakdown of the invoices generated, or if any invoice is reversed, or if any invoice is delayed, which is supposed to be raised to the client or the customers. PUIC helps our organizations to improve their back office operations and to achieve their target faster. It is compatible with both on-premise and cloud implementations. The combination of EY industry experience and SAP advanced technologies helping our client to improve their productivity, improve their efficiencies, and most importantly, to improve their future. With that, I will take you through another product, which is TOTEX or Total Expenditure, which is again built on SAP BTP platform, and it provides real-time insight of your organization's expenditure around CapEx, OpEx, and also the repair expenditure. As you can see, we have built some of the key intelligent features in line with client or the industry requirement. So what it does is it helps our client to monitor or to compare the forecast and reporting of key regulatory commitments against actuals. So with that, the TOTEX is completely customizing product, and it updates new KPIs, dashboards, new features at every quarter in response to market trends and changing needs. PUIC and TOTEX are just two examples of SAP and VPAC certified product. But in addition to that, we also have a whole lot of industry cloud-based products in our catalog, which will help our customer to reduce their TCO or the total cost of operations and also improve the efficiencies. We are in discussion with the multiple clients as part of the new digital transformation journey, which will help them to improve the overall operations. And we are witnessing very good response from them. If you would like to have more discussion around this, please connect over the email, and I'm sure we have meaningful conversations around our industry cloud products. Back to you, Axel.
Thank you very much. So this is, as Paresh said, so this is just two examples of the industry cloud solutions that we have been building, so many more to come. And Holger also touched on the VPAC initiative and program by SAP. And if you look this up, it's sitting on the sap.com under industry cloud solutions. And we are one of the leading partners there. We have already the two, the PUIC and the TOTEX, which Paresh explained. We have those already up there, the next three to come, and then many more to come. And of course, we wanna maintain the leading position as one of your most important partners, Holger. And I'm sure we can keep that. Allow me also to double touch on or to emphasize on one or two more things. So this is, of course, we are building out so many more industry cloud solutions to come on the technology side. And Rakesh, thank you very much for, you did a wonderful job. So pointing out, so which kind of BTP services we are using. So from the technology side, it's there. We are getting it through the VPAC sales channel of SAP. But also let me emphasize one thing. So this is, and I would like to refer to the industry, to the ICC, to the Integration and Certification Center. We are pushing almost all of our solutions, wherever feasible and manageable. We push it through a certification program provided by SAP. We make sure on the technology side that this is according to the latest SAP standards and that we are using the latest SAP technology. And on the sales side, this is also, we are also provided then with the certification logos. I think you saw those on the slides of Paresh. Also, this is they were equipped with 3 logos for TOTEX and also 3 for the PUIC. And this is also how we build this up and how we also take this to the market. So building further out the industry cloud solutions, pushing those also out through the SAP VPAC program, of course, but also last but not least, the personal touch between the EY folks with the SAP folks also make a big difference. So having these kind of virtual conferences, wonderful. Yeah, so this is, but also having the direct connect with the SAP industry business unit folks is also making the difference from my point of view. And together with Holger and I, usually we take the lead on that in order that we can also broaden our collaboration and take this to the next level between SAP and EY. Having said this, thank you again, Holger, for this opportunity that we could be together on this virtual stage, and looking forward to see you all in person soon. Thank you.